Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix failed download virus scan failed in Google Chrome when trying to download a specific program or application in Google Chrome here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to type for regedit. Again, type for regedit and wait until a new window would appear the moment you have the click on OK. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to run this registry editor window, where here you need to proceed with hkey underscore local underscore machine. Again, proceed with hkey underscore local underscore machine and double tap to it and proceed with software. Double tap and go with Microsoft. Okay? So afterwards, you need to double tap once again and scroll down and go with Windows. So scroll down and go for it. Once you have located, please click on it, double tap again, and you need to go with current version. Double tap and navigate to policies. So scroll down once again and look for it. Just be keen on finding such since there are a bunch of keys listed here. So once you are in the policies, double tap for it and go with attachments. And under the attachments, you need to proceed at the center of the screen and look for a value named scan with antivirus. Now we need to change the value data into 1. How we can do so? Please double tap to it and set the value data into 1. Once you're done, click on OK and close all of the paths. Once you have closed it, please close the registry editor as well and restart your computer. Now you may wonder why we need to restart our computer all the time. It is very important to restart your computer in order to complete the procedure and in order to make any changes on the actions that we have just performed in this video. So restart your computer and try to navigate again to your Google Chrome browser and try to download again the specific program or application that you want to install or run here in your Windows. I'm sure it will be working this time, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.